Welcome to Kotlin Tutorial Part 3. Today, we will create our first Kotlin program and understand it line by line. Here is the simplest Kotlin program. It just prints "Hello World" to the screen. Let's break it down to see what each word does. First is the word fun. In Kotlin, fun is a keyword used to declare a function. It tells the compiler that a block of action is starting. Next is maino. This is the entry point of every Kotlin program. Execution always starts from the main function. The curly braces define the block of code inside it. Inside the block, we have println. This command prints the text to the console and automatically moves the cursor to the next line. Finally, the text "Hello World" is wrapped in double quotes. In programming, this is called a string. Whenever you write text, you must use double quotes. Now it's your turn to practice. Try printing your own name, or try printing 3 different lines one after the other to see how println actually works. Great job! You have successfully run your first program. In the next video, we will learn about variables. Until then, keep practicing and don't forget to follow Stickman Coding Academy. Rocket Science!